Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome to all of you and a very good afternoon to all of you. So in my previous sessions, I have already talked about Salesforce, about the features of Salesforce. Salesforce is the world's number one CRM. Whatever information is needed, I have already tried to provide it to you. And in my last session, I have already talked about the certifications about Salesforce. Right now, I'm going to give you one more information that is about Apex. So what is Apex and what are the features of Apex? So I'm going to discuss it with you. So let's get started, guys. Okay. So what is Apex? Apex enables developers to access the Salesforce platform backend database and client server interfaces to create third-party SaaS applications. Apex includes an application programming interface that Salesforce developers can use to access user data on the platform. Salesforce Apex is a Microsoft certified framework for building software as a SaaS app on loop of Salesforce customer relationship management CRM. Okay, functionality. So, how does Salesforce work? Apex enables developers to access the Salesforce platform backend database and client server interfaces to create third-party SaaS applications. Apex includes an application programming interface that Salesforce developers can use to access under data on the platform. This API enables Apex developers to use standard SaaS components like web widgets and the multi-tenant database without the need to develop much of the infrastructure traditionally associated with SaaS programs. So, what are the benefits of using Apex? There are several benefits to using Apex data manipulation language. Okay, so we examine a few of them below. The first one is easy to use. The second one is data focused. The third one is rigorous. And the fourth one is multi-tenant environment. So easy to use. Apex is built on well-known Java paradigms such as variable and expression syntax, black and conditional statement syntax, loop syntax, and array notation. Where Apex adds new features, it uses straight forward syntax and semantics to make efficient use of Lightning platform as a result. Apex generates both the sufficient and simple code to write. Data focused. Apex was created to combine numerous query and DML statements into uh, a single operation and Salesforce platform, similar to how database stored produces connect many transaction uses on our database server. Developers use database stored produces in a comparable manner to thread to manner to thread together several transaction instructions on a data server. Rigorous. The Apex programming language is a strongly typed language that directly references object-oriented schema, such as field names. If any reference are faculty, if it fails to compile quickly, to guarantee that custom field Salesforce objects and class dependencies in metadata. So multi-tenant environment. Like the rest of the Lightning components, Apex is used in a multi-tenant setting as a result. Multi-tenant setting as a result. The Apex runtime engine was created to prevent runway code from monopolizing shared resources by using tight security measures. Any program that exceeds restrictions produces user-friendly error messages. So easy to test. Apex has built-in support for unit testing. It displays test results, identifying how much code is covered and which section of user's code might be optimized. Salesforce runs all unit tests before any platform updates to ensure that all custom Apex code operates correctly. How an Apex application hosted. Apex applications are usually hosted and run directly from Salesforce servers. No installation on a user's local PC is necessary because of the hosting. A user simply purchase a given Apex program through Apex App Exchange, Salesforce web portal for add-ons to CRM. The user is then able to access the program through the standard user interface. Once created, an application can be published for public use or kept private for intents as a proprietary add-on. So these are the things, guys, about Apex. Today I have talked about the uses of Apex. In my another session, I'm going to talk about more things. Okay, so this is for today's session. Hope you guys are enjoyed my session. So kindly visit all my videos in YouTube and kindly go through all my fireside chat videos. There are so many information I have already given. There are so many candidates who have talked about their quality, their lifestyle, their way of living. I mean to say that whatever they are doing right now, at the first ever in their life, they was not so much confident about their life, and after having the experience from TCS Global, now they are working in a very good manner and in a very good CRM. So if you want to work in the best companies in best environment, kindly communicate with us, get proper information about us, and get proper knowledge from us. We will provide you each and everything whatever you need to know. And in PCS Global, we are here always to help you. If you are a fresher, if you are a job seeker, there is no issue, guys, because whatever you have done, that is your past. Right now, you need to start from the begin. And we are here to help you from the start, from the beginning. Okay. So in PCS Global, our people are there. They are giving trainings. They are giving information, and me personally giving the informations to you, being a brand ambassador of PCS Global solutions. I would like to suggest you kindly don't waste time. The time is so precious, guys. You can't even imagine that. Okay, right now you're seated in your home and you're thinking like, whatever what I do, is it needed for me? I need to join. I need to learn new technologies. Yes, you need to learn new technology. You need to prove yourself. You need to accustom with new culture, and you need to make yourself more capable to work in a CMM level company. In PCS Global, whatever we do, we provide you the client projects, we provide you our in-house projects. Because whenever you are going to join one company, at first they will ask you, do you have any experience in any live project, working in a live project? So that time you can't say, no, I don't have any experience in any live project. So we are giving you the first platform to start your career. And in PCS Global, we don't think that whatever you have done, and after having 2 years, 5 years, 6 years gap, you can't do anything. That is not here. We always give the chance each and every candidate to prove themselves. Okay, so guys, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and comment below. So bye for now.